In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order on Amazon. Whether you've had a change of heart, found a better deal elsewhere, or simply made a mistake while placing your order, knowing how to cancel it can be a lifesaver. This guide will walk you through the steps of canceling an order, ensuring you're well equipped to manage your Amazon purchases smoothly. First, let's begin by navigating to Amazon.com. Once you're on the home page, your next task is to sign into your account. Hover over where it says Account and Lists at the top right of the page. You might notice a drop-down menu, but what we're interested in right now is to click on Sign In. Now you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Input it carefully and click on Continue. The next screen will ask for your Amazon password. Once you've entered your password, click on the Sign In button to access your Amazon account. After you're signed in, you'll find a variety of options available. Look towards the top of the page and click on Returns and Orders. This is your go-to section for managing all things related to your previous purchases. Here you'll see a chronological list of all the orders you've made. Browse through the list until you locate the order you wish to cancel. This part can sometimes be a bit tricky if you order frequently, so take your time to ensure you're looking at the correct order. Once you've found it, you'll see a button next to the order that says Cancel Items or Cancel Order. Click on that button to proceed. In the case where your order contains multiple items, Amazon provides flexibility by allowing you to choose specific items you wish to cancel. This means you can cancel just one item from an order containing several, without disrupting the rest of the order. Simply select which of the items you wouldn't like to proceed with. Along this process, you'll also have the option to select a reason for your cancellation. While this is an optional step, it can be helpful to provide feedback. If you're comfortable sharing why you're canceling, go ahead and select the most appropriate reason from the drop-down menu provided. Finally, to wrap things up, click on Cancel Checked Items, or, if applicable, Cancel Selected Items in this order. This final step confirms your choice, and once completed, Amazon will process your cancellation. You should receive a confirmation email shortly thereafter, which serves as a useful record that your cancellation was successful. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the process of canceling your order on Amazon. Always ensure to check the cancellation policies, as some items might be ineligible to cancel if they're already in the shipping process. Now you can shop with an added layer of confidence, knowing how to manage your orders efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping.